Just 1 minute. Yes, I have shared my screen with you. Can you see?
Just a minute.
You can see the paint, right?
Yeah, it's visible now. Yeah.
It is visible. Okay. We can start. I will just present HICM and then we can start one by one where I will take you to the demo session. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Let me begin with the presentation. So we have both the modes available, online and offline mode. Students who are not staying in Bangalore city, they can join online mode. They can pay the fees in EMI. Whatever course we are teaching over here, we give the practical hands-on in terms of the practical assignments and internship that we provide to the students.
Okay.
Business analyst course or whatever course that we are teaching out here, it is a research-based syllabus. So what we do is that we do a lots of research on any particular operations, okay, or any course, and then we interact with the HRs and we try to see the requirements, what is the current job requirements in the industry. As per that only, as per the current need of the industry, we prepare our syllabus. So the syllabus that you see in business analyst course, it is as per the current requirements that the HR is asking now from the candidates.
Right.
Okay, with the future based approach. With the future based approach, because see the BA course will start with the domain knowledge. So
Right.
we try to understand various domains. Okay, when you talk about different domains, then we are talking about the sectors wise differentiation over here. So one, if you want to see what are different sectors which is there in which you can work as a BA, then just go to quick links. Okay, there you can go to sector indices. So you will have all the listed sectors which is listed in the NSE exchange actually. So in all the sectors, whichever you are seeing over here, you can work as a BA. But you should have that domain knowledge. Suppose actually you are
Right.
into financial domain, you cannot tell I will become a BA in pharma sector. You can become, but they will ask the
Right.
operational questions from you. Then you have to clear those operation questions. So when you have a
Right.
knowledge
Right.
about finance, you become a BA in banking or you become a BA in investment banking companies only. Hmm?
Right.
So we try to complete the basic foundation and then we will take you to the theoretical classes along with the assignments. That is an inherent part of the syllabus. Here faculty is very experienced. If you will take my example only, I have completed my MBA and CFA. So I am into teaching and training from past 15 years. HSCM I joined 6 years before.
Okay.
So like that, here there are very experienced faculty which are teaching that particular course whichever students wants to learn.
Okay.
Okay, we believe in giving you the assignment so that you will have a practical hands-on. This is a research-based syllabus as we work with various HRs of various companies. Fees we kept in a very affordable way in which student can afford it and complete the course. Along with the studies, we'll also help you to prepare for the mock interviews because we'll give you the assignments, and that will to prepare you for the mock interviews and helping you in your preparing your resume and cover note. That is very very important. Okay, for the BA syllabus, see, we have different type of syllabus out here. So we also provide the placement assistance to the students, whichever course they are joining. But for BA, there is a different steps that I will guide you. Okay.
yeah,
And yes, this is a lifetime support. Once you are becoming a student at HICM at any point of time, even after 10 years down the line, if you have any queries about your career, how you should grow, we will be always be the first people who will be answering you, because we have a research lab over here where we are constantly doing research. Okay, so
okay,
that is for the benefit of the students. Okay, now I will take you to the business analyst course part. See, there are different type of domains or sectors you can tell. Okay, here I can name it out. We can tell this is a banking sector, this is an insurance sector, and this is we can tell as an investment banking sector. Okay, you take any sector, they have two, different type of departments over there. Okay, different type of departments are there in that sector. This department you can tell the finance department, this you can tell the sales, this you can tell the accounting. Okay, this you can tell the customer care department.
right,
Okay, now every department, when the work is they are doing, they can do the task and activities in two ways. Okay, either they can do a manual work, you can tell it is a manual work. Okay, so now I am talking about the operations work, operations. Or either they can automate the process, or either
right,
they can implement IT in that actually. Okay, two of the
right,
ways in which operation and task can be completed. I will just take this one here and I will keep it over there. Okay, operations. See, the operations was can also be automated actually.
yeah,
Okay, or some IT can be merged into that. It is, see, they have a IT department over there. They have a IT department. See, IT department work is not only to look in their own business process. What is the work of IT? To integrate all business process so that the work can they can do a smooth transitions, integration of the work. Okay,
yeah,
now when you are working into operations, might be you are into finance, or might be you are into accounting, because you might be done your BCom BBA, or might be you are working
yeah,
into sales actually.
yeah,
I'm just giving you an example. See, any kind of operations or business process they are doing, they can perform the task in two ways. Whatever you will tell, what is the work of IT out here actually? To integrate the process so that they can have a centralized data.
right,
They can have a centralized data and they can smoothness the process. Okay, operations work can be performed in a very smooth way. This is the work of IT. When you have a particular domain knowledge, you work in any of either you're working in investment banking domain or insurance or banking domain. Suppose you are working into insurance domain as you told to me.
yeah,
Okay, see, there is a finance department, definitely there is a
yeah,
finance department in insurance also. Okay, now let us try to understand that how the operations are working. See, there are different type of businesses that insurance company can do. That is what the domain knowledge comes here actually. That is what when the B is getting hired into insurance domain, they should have a domain knowledge. See, nowadays what we are doing, what we are seeing is that they have a traditional plans, traditional plans like like LIC, like LIC you
yeah,
have, right? So they can have a traditional plan. Okay, or either they can have a unit link insurance plan. They can have different type of plans. They can have endowment plans. Okay, or either they can also have a retirement plans. This is I am talking about the product wise.
Correct.
Product wise, okay, products wise. Now suppose you are working here into any of the department, okay, you are working into the operations team. So what people will do, they will be having two type of client. See, this is the client which will subscribe, it means they will purchase the insurance plan, okay.
Yeah.
This is I am just talking you only about a small business process, not complete, so
Yeah.
that you
Yeah.
will
Right.
get a
Right.
complete hand on that where is your opportunity which you are looking for BA, where it lies over here. So that I am giving you this example. Some people will be there which can redeem actually. Okay, redeem means what actually? They are selling.
Sale.
They are selling because they have purchased few years before. Now they want to sell. Simple. See, they can perform their duty in two ways. Either they can perform their duty into manual way. It means what actually? Visiting, the insurance company and telling them that we want to purchase, or telling
Yeah.
them that we want to sell. See, this is a old fashioned thing. I'll tell you. This is a
Yeah.
old. Now today, what has happened? I'll tell you. I bought some sweets actually here. Then when I was asking bill, he was writing the bill and giving to me. So I told to him, this is the bill that you are giving to me, and he was putting a stamp also. So I told him, this 50 years
Mm.
before method that you are following. Nowadays people are printing and giving actually, or people are sending in the emails.
Right.
See, this is what the automation
Email.
require actually. That is the work of a BA, to automate the process and
Yeah.
integrate the process into a definite way so that the work can be structured.
Right.
See, this manual way, I'll tell you, it is outdated. It is outdated. Nobody wants to visit. Might be in small cities, still people who are in the age of 60 years, they would like to visit bank. They don't want to do digital transaction. That is a different. That is, we are not talking about exceptional cases.
Yeah.
Or either you can automate this process. See, you can automate this process. See how you will automate the process. See, automation can happen in various ways now actually. Okay, automation can happen in various ways. Either you can give the facility, they can phone, they can call, and if they want to purchase they can redeem. Okay, or either they have their individual dashboards. Okay, or either they can have their individual dashboards, or either you will help them to make a app where the databases will be stored. Okay, now when suppose actually you will tell them that I know about complete your products, and we can now, when the app is going to design now, they will require some variables. They require some variables. See, variables means what actually? Suppose you will log in into the Axis Bank page. What you are seeing in Axis Bank page? Suppose this is Axis Bank insurance company. What you will see? You will see a sign up page. Okay, sign up, or you will see a sign in page.
Sign in page.
See, sign up when you are not registered. Sign in when you are registered and you have a OTP verified. Two pages you will see, right? Sign up and sign in. And then here you will see a password, right? You will see a password, right? See, this is, we are making a UI for your dashboard or app, right? This will be, see, your work is not to code. Coding means, well, you will write, var. Var is used for string, we I mean by alphabets. Okay, string I mean
Yeah.
by
Yeah.
alphabets, and integer I mean by numbers actually. Okay,
Numbers.
and
Yeah.
then you will, this is the data type, var data type, and this is, the, you are putting a value a equals to, and then you will write a string name that you want a string. See, this is called coding. See, BA work is not to code. I am
Yeah.
just giving you an example. Don't think that
Yeah.
you have to learn coding.
No. No.
Okay,
No. Yeah.
your work is not to code, but you should know basic, nothing else actually. This is not your cup of tea to code. I have just give you this example. Okay, so that or you will write in HTML so that it will show sign in and setup. This is not your work actually. See, your work is what, as a BA, to integrate the process actually. Now, what is happening over here? I'll tell you what is exactly happening over here. Suppose there is a access, okay, insurance company, access insurance company. Just give you an example. Okay, now they have a business case study. Business case study is what actually, that volumes are so much high. Okay, and they want to prepare a dashboard for what actually? Individual login page, so that people are doing two type of transaction over here. What type of transaction? Either they will redeem or either they will subscribe. Okay, They will redeem or either they will subscribe, right? Now this requirement you will receive from the stakeholders, okay, in the form of the BRD. But the thing is that, see, if you are not aware of the basic of insurance, I'll tell you, while you will develop a product now, you can do a mistake.
Yeah.
That is what the basic is required. People can redeem or people can subscribe. Okay, so this case study they can give you in complete BRD, in which they can tell what are their requirements. So your first work is what
What are
actually?
the
To gather the requirement. Hmm? Gather the
right?
requirements. From where you are going to gather the requirements? From the stakeholders. From the stakeholders. See, either stakeholders can give you existing BRD, or they can tell that whenever we will tell you the requirements, what are our user requirements, you can prepare your BRD. BRD is what? Business decision document. Okay.
Business agent.
See, in the BRD, you can also make the technical specification and you can also make the functional specification that they will give to you. They can also give you the mock screens, or either they can tell you that, we will tell you a user story, you make your own mock screens. So you should be familiar to use some drawings, paints, like how the page is looking like. Okay, this can be a logo. See, this is a very interesting work,
This
I'll
is
tell you. Very interesting work. You will always enjoy in your life. Logo. And then the sign in and sign in page. Okay. See, there can be different tabs over here. This is called sign in, this is called sign, and it can hover. Once the mouse will come, it will show sign in, it will show sign up actually. Okay.
sign up.
See, now when the sign up will come, then it will ask the name, user ID or password or OTP. Okay. And sign in, it means it is a registered user. See, this can be your first ways in which you will start getting the requirement. Now, see, this is a login page. Okay. Now, once the the data will come over here where you are going to store the data, then there should be some database where you are going to
Database.
store a data. Okay. So we can take this example: insert shape, and this can be an example of a database. How you see, it is not like that you have to make a data. No, you will give in the pictorial form,
Right.
that how it should be stored in the database. Huh? See, it is the duty of a IT team actually to decide which database they have to use. It is not your work. But
Yeah.
in designing part, you have to tell, because you are a BA, business analyst.
BA,
So
right.
see, what is your work over here? See, now here the stakeholders will sit over here. Okay, and they are going to talk to you. They are not going to talk to developers.
Developer,
You are
right.
acting a bridge over here. You are acting a bridge, and this is the IT team is sitting over here. IT team. So what is the work of the IT team over here? To talk to you, and your work is what? To gather the requirements from the stakeholders. Stakeholders
Right.
is sitting over here, and what is your work? You are sitting as a BA over here, preparing the. So see, what you are doing actually, you are bridging a gap between IT team and, see, what is their expectation, they will tell to you, and then you have to communicate to them. When you are
Right.
communicating to them, then you have to be very very cautious, because see, IT team now might be they don't have a domain knowledge. That is
Right.
what they require, a BA who is having a domain knowledge, because BA can feed the inputs in the IT team. BA can feed actually, because see what is happening over here. If it is a ULIP plan, what are the features of a ULIP plan? Okay, it is a features of having a lock-in period of 4 to 5 years. Suppose it is having a lock-in period of 5 years, then it is having a NAV, net asset value, right? Now this NAV is attached to the securities. So see, this is the knowledge which they require from you. IT team is not aware what is the insurance product. Might be they are not aware what is a NAV, what when you say what is a lock-in period. But these features which you are aware of the basics, it will help them to give them a minute to minute information where they are going to code it actually. Now your work is not to check their coding. Once they are coding, they can tell you to perform a small testing. But it is,
Small to you.
I will tell you, if you are totally occupied in getting the requirement, they have a different tester also altogether.
Yeah.
For beta testing, they can come to you, because see, you have gathered the requirements. Now you understand this can be the first page. Now what can be the second page? After the user will log in, they can see their dashboards. Suppose actually you are doing a testing, you are doing a beta testing in which they have given you to test the app. Okay, now user is not seeing the dashboard. It is taking him to the logout page or some
Yeah.
different page in which they are seeing different type of insurance schemes. So this can be caught that after this page, dashboard should come in which the name of the customer should come along with the photo. See, this is all about I am talking you from the backend points of view. Okay, and
Yeah.
now if the volumes are high, they can tell you to use multiple APIs or single APIs. Then you should have some small knowledge about APIs also. Okay, and when the users are there, what kind of notification that they want to implement. Hmm?
Yeah.
Notifications, then they want to implement push notification, pull notification, different type of notification what they want to give. Okay, but from the base point of view, you first of all you have to understand the case study actually. Okay, that you work in an insurance company, I will suggest you join as a BA in insurance sector only, because see there is a requirement as a BA in investment banking company only. But if
Yeah.
you will join as a BA, then you should know about capital market product.
Yeah.
Okay, or else you should know about the fund accounting business process. Okay, and when I am talking to you about the capital market, then you should be knowing about equity derivatives. Some of the times, what happens here is that
Derivatives.
when you are working into the insurance company, and if you will try to switch into the investment banking company as a BA, they can take you because they will think that you are working into banking and finance. See, this is all about
Yeah.
BFSI segment, they want
BFSA.
in financial only. So whether you are working into banks, investment banking, insurance, they will never mind actually. They will
Yeah.
try to take you. Now, see, when you are getting a requirement, most of the time you will be working with the foreign clients, because I'll tell you, there are various USA based companies or foreign based companies where I'll tell you, might be you will be, might be you know this or not, but there are various banks. You take the example of Common Bank Wealth of Australia,
Yeah.
CBI, okay, Common Bank Wealth of Australia, and you try to see their app. I'll tell you, it is they don't have, they have client. It is just like a SBI Bank of India, Common Bank Wealth of
Yeah.
Australia. But when you are checking their app is not having so much of features which you are finding in SBI Bank. So see why there is a demand of a BA, because of the foreigners. They are getting skill set from Indian people actually. Okay,
Yeah.
so when you are learning, they most of the time they will tell you to make a BRD in Jira, and they are following a agile process. See, agile is a concept which most of the companies are using while hiring a BA, but this is not the only thing which you have to learn. I'll tell you, they are nowadays they started following safe agile. I don't know whether you are aware of safe agile or not. Agile is there actually, it is fine. Agile, you are aware, they are
Yeah.
also nowadays, like if you will take about ING bank. Okay, so
INGVS. Yeah.
yes, ING Visa. So they are following safe agile. So there are agile and safe agile. Actually, now they are following.
Okay.
Okay, so see, as a BA, you should know first of all the domain knowledge. Then you should know how
Domain.
to prepare the documents. Then how to communicate to IT team actually. Okay, suppose actually I will tell you, they can tell that in name only they want alphabets. They want alphabet. So here, when you're writing a BA as your BRD, you have to mention as a string. Basic things actually, not much. Because see,
Yeah. Right.
string is counted as an alphabet. Then when they are
Alphabets.
writing, they have to give in brackets. Okay. Now when you are talking about integer, it is like numbers. Okay. Now
Numbers.
when you are making databases like VAR, it can contain string, integer, anything. It's basic things.
Yeah. Mix of string and integer.
Basic things, if you are aware, then you can
Yeah.
perform
I've learned from VBA coding.
from here. Hmm.
VBA. VBA.
EB.
VBA macros. Yeah.
Okay. So this is a small presentation which I have given you about
Yeah.
how the things will get done over here. But yes, it is a very interesting bug. So I'll take you to the syllabus. I hope you saw the syllabus.
Yeah. I've gone through
You saw the
all
syllabus.
of the
Okay.
modules.
So
Yeah.
see, this is a 2 months of course. Okay, and 12 hours of classes, 2 weeks of internal assignments. Along with the classes, we'll give you the assignments of, this is assignments of 50 hours that we are giving, and 100 hours of internship, project based internship. So total
project based.
162 hours. Okay, you will get HACM certification, company internship certification. You will get. Will give you the e-books. Revision part. Actually, I'll tell you. Faculty, whoever will teach you, they will record the sessions, and that will be shared with you. Will help you to
Okay.
prepare your resume, cover note. It is a live interactive sessions. We are teaching BA course only one-to-one basis only. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever you will join, we can always customize the sessions. Lifetime it means whenever you want any support from us, okay, we'll try to help you in whatever way it is beneficial for you to make your career good. You can always approach to us. We'll always try to help you. Mock interviews, we are giving you the assignments to prepare you for the mock interviews. Okay, I'll tell you. See, the demand is very, very huge. If you don't mind, can you tell me your package currently and how many years of experience you have?
My current package is around 8 lakh.
Okay, and how many years of
Just
experience you have?
I have an experience of 10 years almost.
Okay. See, what we see here is that at least people who are working number of years into three times. This should be the package of an individual.
Yeah,
Okay. If not, then number of years into two times. Then this should be the package on the second slab.
yeah,
Below 20 lakhs, whatever package you are earning, it is underpaid.
yeah,
This is the market standard which I am telling to you. Okay,
yeah,
so it
right,
means you are
right,
underpaid. I will tell you. Your problem can be solved by joining a BA course. I will tell you. See, operations will only can give you a package of 30 to 40 percentage hike.
right,
That too after two years of jump. And after 2 years, you also already aware that inflation will increase.
right,
See, if you want 100 percentage hike or 200 percentage hike, I will tell you it can only and only be achieved by joining, a BA or by working as a BA.
right.
Okay, so this is what I was wanting to tell you. And the topics that we are covering, I hope you have downloaded the syllabus, so you have the topics.
Yeah, just I have gone through all of the modules and the syllabus, so it looks very good for me. So I want to go through about these all of the parameters which you have mentioned, like user stories, epics, SQL, Zira,
Everything, whatever we are
yeah,
mentioning
everything.
over
Yeah.
here,
So this
everything.
is my requirement because I've connected with IT from last 3 to 4 years. So
Okay,
my basic role is to gather the information from the clients
okay,
and to present to the ITs and to
right.
resolve the defects point of view and to raise an defect into Zira.
Jira,
So I
okay.
generally raise a defect into Zira, but I don't create any user stories.
So
So
that
I
we
want to
can.
I want to exposure from the user point of view, user stories
User
as well.
stories you can create there actually.
Yeah,
In when you are creating your epics and all, there only down only you can create the user stories.
yeah.
Okay, see,
So during this course,
yes, yes, yes.
will I get the uh, IDs for the applications, right? To some dummy data to practice on the Jira or something.
See, Jira, you can make your individual account that will help you to make.
Okay,
Okay, once you are making your account, they will give you access for some point of time, which is well sufficient for you to practice.
okay,
Okay, and as far as the data is concerned, that we can create no issues.
okay.
See, what you will upload there, you will upload BRD there, or you will use their cloud to make BRD there only. Two things you can do. Either you can upload via PDF form,
Hmm.
or second thing is that you can create in cloud only.
Creator.
It is better to create in cloud only. It is because most of the companies are creating there only because the data will be there forever.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so sometime before the new versions have came of Zira. I don't know whether you are using a old version or new version because all the companies are migrating to the new version now.
New version. Yeah, yeah, new
Okay,
version
they are
because all
using
of the our products are migrating into AWS.
AWS. Yes, yes. So there you can use even you can create so many charts over there. Okay,
Yeah,
even you can also create a UML designing part over there.
Right.
See, this is the Confluence Cloud where you can create your BRD there only. No need to upload actually. Confluence Cloud is there, which is again is used in Jira only.
Okay.
Okay. So this is all about the course which I was wanting to make you through. So now, if you have any doubts, any questions, then you can ask from me. Otherwise, I think we are good to see now. When the students are wanting to enroll for the course, I'll tell you. I hope you are aware of HICM.in portal. So you have to go to
Yeah.
business analyst course. You can go to
Yeah.
any of the categories and then you can select the course. Either you go to student. See, for any of the categories, syllabus will remain the same. It will not change. So either you
Okay.
go as a working professional or as a student, it will remain the same.
It will reach. Okay.
It will syllabus will remain the same. Syllabus and all things will not change. Okay, so you have to enroll for the course, business analyst course. Okay, so there you can download browser. So you told that you have downloaded.
Yeah.
So here you have to register course registration form. Okay,
Okay.
here you will click and then you will try to register for the course. Okay, once you will register during the time only, it will ask you to choose a pay method where you can choose. I am paying 10,000 of full fees. Then it will
Okay.
send you the scan code and next ID. Even the the IDs are there in the browser only. Down only it is given. So same details they will send you. You once you are paying a fee, just share the screenshot with me. I will coordinate with the admission team. Will send you the mail then that the fees is received and they will be asking your mark sheets and all. You submit to them. BGC process will go for 2 or 5 days. Once it will get completed, your profile is getting approved. We'll call you.
So my document will be uploaded. My education.
Yes, they will give you a drive and they will give you the access where you are going to upload your docs. Okay, 10th,
Okay.
12th class mark sheet and everything you will upload over there.
Okay.
And once it is getting approved, we'll call you actually for preparing your timetable and then you can start in that week only.
Okay.
Yes.
And for timing point of view,
See, I will tell you because you are working. Okay, so either you
yeah,
can
right,
choose Sunday or Saturday,
right.
and we can schedule the classes at 11 a.m. or 11:30 a.m. for 3 hours weekly
Okay.
once.
Yeah.
Okay, there you can come and for 5 to 6 days we will give you the assignments to complete. So it will go hands by hand. It will go training will go. Okay, so morning time will be
Okay.
good.
And
Yes.
yeah, and during any one of the weekend, if I have to take the leave, so how much before I need to inform you? How much time?
Leaves, right? Leaves.
Yeah.
See, even though see we once we are scheduling any class, we'll try to update you 4 to 5 days before only that your class is scheduled on this particular day and on this timing.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay, suppose we have scheduled your classes for Saturday, suppose, and
Okay.
on Friday also, if you will inform us, or Saturday also that I am not available, at least you inform us so that we can fix other,
Yeah. Sure.
so
Yeah.
that we can use the time of that faculty with other students.
Yeah.
You
Right.
inform us that I am not there, then we can reschedule it to the next to next week or whenever you will
Okay.
come
Right.
again.
No worry. No worry. Right. Right. Got it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That thing, if you will inform us, we'll take care. No issues.
Yeah. Sure. Okay.
Hmm?
So nice. It looks very good for me to get these overview.
You
So
can
definitely,
call me
yeah.
also if you have any doubts. Then we can meet again, or I can.
And there will be one person from the teaching point of view.
Yes. So once you are enrolling, one teacher will be assigned to you. One faculty will be assigned to you
One
from this.
faculty. Okay.
Yes. One
Okay.
one faculty will be assigned to you where the HR will share the contact number and details of that faculty. You can always contact to the faculty over the email or you can call them. So then
Okay.
they can help you to resolve your doubts and issues.
Okay. Okay.
So I think I'm done. Actually, Anurag, any other doubts or I think we are good to stop?
Yeah, we are good to stop.
Okay, thank you. So all the best.
Yeah.
And
Thanks.
once,
Definitely, I will enroll this program and will update you.
yeah, thank you, Anurag. Take care. Bye.
Yeah.
Good
Yeah.
night.
Take care. Bye. Bye.